Hi, I'm going to be showing you how to make a fruit smoothie my way. There's two options that we can use. We have a blender that you can put your smoothie in, and then you have the famous Bullet, NutriBullet, that of course I will be making my smoothie in. That won't hurt you, but just give you an extra little boost. Protein powder for your smoothie. And what makes the NutriBullet so nice and nutritious is because you don't add nothing but water, and you just have the water and the fruit and any greens that you choose to put in it. And then now you take it and you screw it, and then you sit it on. And thanks to the NutriBullet, and now I have me a nice, delicious fruit smoothie.